We save lives, but struggle to build our own. Does money really comes with the stethoscope? If you are also a first generation doctor like me, you probably know the answer. When we were preparing for NEET UG, वो एक roller coaster of emotions होता है. होम सिकनेस, मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग अलोन, हेल्थ इश्यूज, क्लासेस, सेल्फ स्टडीज, मेस का खाना और ऑफ कोर्स सब कुछ मैनेज ना हो पाने के कारण यू कुडंट सिक्योर अ गवर्नमेंट सीट. So completing your MBBS from a private college is itself a fear if you are from a middle class family. But during all that chaos, there stays a dream in your mind that someday I will earn enough to give my family what they actually deserves.